water. It's always there when we want it. In this country, whenever we turn on the tap, we expect to have fresh, clean drinking water. And why not?
We turn on the news and see floods. And then there's all the lakes, the rivers, the oceans. Water's everywhere.
Except it isn't.
Most of the water, over 95%, is in the oceans. Only 2.5% of it is fresh water. And of this, 2/3 is locked up in glaciers and ice caps. Hardly any of it is usable. If this jug, full, represented all of the water there is in the world, then
This is probably the usable amount of water in the world.
even if you've got lots of it, you may not be able to get to it. We often think of Africa as a dry continent, but it has the second largest store of groundwater and the most surface water of all the continents. The problem is that in some areas, that water isn't accessible, equally available, or safe to drink. And water isn't just needed for drinking. We use it in our manufacturing, energy production, farming, and in our homes.
The world's population is increasing, and so is the demand for this water. So, what can be done?
Well, dams are being built around the world to try and provide a more consistent water supply. They do this by retaining water that could be used to even out the flow of a river throughout the year. But the construction of dams is expensive and can displace many local people. So too does the building of water transfer schemes. These projects, like the South-North Water Transfer Scheme in China, are costly, but can be a way to redistribute water more evenly within a country.
And what about all that salt water that we can't drink?
Desalination plants can remove salt and provide a lot more useful water to the world. But the costs of this process are too high for many of the developing countries that would most benefit from it. On a local level, smaller scale solutions like conserving water in daily life and grey water recycling, which is using wastewater from dishwashers and washing machines to fill the cisterns of flush toilets, can also help. But these small-scale initiatives need lots of people to get involved if they're going to have a big impact.
And we can all make a start by remembering that water is precious and that we shouldn't waste it.